I want you folks to be loud and rowdy today. This is an audience participation show. That means you folks get to participate. Now, I've got a couple of very simple jobs for y'all. When you folks see the good guys out here, those are the fellas that wear black and white, wear ties around their necks. We want you to cheer for us every single time we enter or exit the stage. The bad guys look like dirty cowboys. They get the boos and the hisses every time they enter or exit the stage. Can we handle that?
Yeah.
Pretty simple, right? Let's try it out right now as loud as you can. Let's hear it for the good guys. Bad guys. Good guys. Are you folks ready for a gunfight?
Yeah.
I said, are you ready for a killing?
Yeah.
You people are sick. All right, we're getting started in 45 minutes. Relax. After all this time, the festival was a bust. You must know. Plenty of money to be had, you understand, but none of it rubbed off on me. So how is the respectable business treating you?
Doc, this is the place to be. You can collect the money off the trees around here.
Why, and you said the same thing about Dodge City.
It's different this time. It's the risk of my neck. Strictly on the up and up.
At least until the election's over.
So you've heard of my intentions.
Oh, I can see it now. Quieter, county sheriff.
Doc, there is something I need to talk to you about.
Oh?
Frank McClary. Son of Warcraft, and this time he's gunning for you. He's got it in his head. You've been telling people he had something to do about fencing stage hold up.
What if I have? Frank McClary is a no-good snake in the grass. A man that would roll over on his own friends like that, and for what? Some blood money from Wells Fargo?
Doc, you know I made that deal with Frank. He gets the money, I get the glory. That deal will help me come election time. Does that make me a yellow-bellied snake in the grass?
No, Wyatt, you're a politician. You're doing your job. Frank McClary has got no such excuse. A man that turns on his own friends has got no business living.
It would be best if you would mind your business where this is concerned.
Frank McClary comes my way, it's going to be my business, and as you know, handle my business the proper way.
Listen, we're doing very well here. You are able to gold mine Virgil's town marshal. I'm well on my way to becoming county sheriff. Just don't want anything to interfere with that.
Look, Wyatt, I won't be the one to interfere with your plans.
That's all I ask.
Enough of this talk. It's high time that you showed me to your best bottle of whiskey.
My pleasure.
Indeed.
All right, Doc?
I'm doing fine. I'm in my prime.
What I need is another drink. You can use one too.
Slow down. I think maybe you've had it.
Don't you try to rope me in. You're fine. Bartender.
I'm here, boys.
How many Earps are in town now? 10, 15?
Well, Frank, there's 5 of us. I do believe that's enough to handle you boys.
What's that supposed to mean?
Oh.
All right, so long as I'm you're probably spreading more lies about me.
No, Frank. I do believe I have ever only told the truth about you. You're a drunken fool.
No, we don't need it.
That's not to worry, Tom. You see, Frank talks and he talks, but he never seems to back up any of his threats. No, he is just a coward.
Watch your mouth, Holiday. Don't make me kill you.
Those words, Frank. You threatened me. You threatened the Earth Boys. I'm sick of it. Let's say we settle this blood feud right here now.
Fine by me. See ya.
Hey, Frank.
I'm not writing you fix for a fight, so you can take that big talk of yours and just chuck me.
Now, Frank did us down a favor. Oh, it would be real easy.
Hey,
Hey, Doc, I don't want you to go.
He pointed a gun at me.
Yeah, you pointed a gun.
You
Get him out of here.
You
You the brother.
Morgan,
Get out of here. Check that. Clear out.
Morgan, that was fun.
You know what, Doc? You have a real strange idea of fun.
Perhaps. Farewell, Morgan. Find myself suddenly bored.
Tell him he's got a fight coming.
I'm an officer of the law. I don't want to hear that kind of talk.
Well, what about you, Wyatt?
I'm not gonna fight you, Frank. There's no money in it.
Well, I reckon it's time we fetched all this fighting talk to a close then. You boys see your pal Holiday, let him know I'm waiting for him come morning. As a matter of fact, I'll be waiting for all of you come morning.
Everyone's interest when his hangover sets in. With any luck, he'll just go home, pass out, and forget about the whole thing. Virgil, when's our luck ever been that good? Yeah.
You don't even know me.
We heard about you.
Doc Holiday, get out here. You said you want to finish this, so come finish it. Housekeeping. All right, Doc. Get it going. 1, 2, 3. Somebody, I was looking for your pal Holiday. If I'd have seen you first, I would have killed you too.
Sorry to disappoint you. Morgan, hold him at the jail. Go find his wallet.
All right, Frank, you heard it. Let's go.
Morgan, if I still had my gun, make a fight with you, the whole lot more.
Frank, you've been threatening my family for months now. He has every right to shoot you down. Won't do it. You're right. Get inside, Morgan.
Get inside, Morgan.
Wyatt, did you hear what your pal Holiday did to Frank earlier? Now I get it, he's a fool when he's drunk, but he's harmless. You had no call to rough him up.
Your friend's been carrying guns in town to make him threats. It's like he's alive.
Yeah, and who do you think you are? Some kind of Dodge City pig? Went and got himself thrown in jail again.
You know what? This sounds a lot like his problem.
His problem? You've seen how they've been treating him, haven't you?
It's like this everywhere we go. You get a few drinks in and he thinks he can whip his weight in Wildcats. I'm sick of it.
Yeah? Well, he is your brother. You can't back his play every time. Why you still here?
Ryan, keep your hands off me.
Frank's had his fun. He's paid his fine. He's free to go. I want you boys to get him out of here. I don't want to see any cowboys in town the rest of the day.
Now, Worf, you can't talk to us like
I'll
that.
talk to you how I please. I'm town marshal. You're just a lot of horse thieves and stage robbers. Sheriff Behan may not care what you do between here and the Mexican border. We do.
You know, Behan's a smart man. He leaves us alone. Lives a long, happy life, too. Unlike some people.
Is that another threat there, McLeod?
No, Morgan! When I say people die, they die.
Frank, I've dealt with men like you my whole life. You don't scare me. I'll go to Charleston. I'll go to San Simon. I'll fight you and every man in your gang. If you touch my family, I'll kill you.
That's some tough talk coming from a dead man. You know, you try to run us out of this town, but we're still here. We ain't leaving neither. This ends the day. I'm done talking. Let's go, boys.
More cowboys due in town any minute.
Yeah, but what about their big guns, Curly Bill and Ringo?
It isn't a problem, Morgan. If Frank gets himself shot dead, it's more spoils for the rest of them. Right, he's going. What happened? He's drunk and suspicious. We know about the deal he made turning those boys from the Benson stage hold up. Curly Bill and Ringo found out it wouldn't sit well with them.
Yeah, they bury us. They're dead won't bury that secret.
That's right, Morgan.
Come on out here, Wyatt.
Police business, Doc. None of yours.
Virgil, there are more cowboys heading to town at this very moment. They're gunning for you. Well, I said you're going to need all the help you can get.
We'll find those cowboys just fine on our own.
They're not far from here. Hold up in an empty lot down the OK Corral free, Mom. Look to me, business, boys, they've got guns.
And we will take those guns away from you. Come on. Doc, you insist on coming along. You gotta do it my way. I want you to hang back. Hold on to this. I can't believe the way they were talking.
You heard what they call us, Bill. Horse thieves, stage
Yeah,
robbers.
Tom, we are horse thieves, though. That's what we do.
Nobody likes you, Billy. Come on.
What do we do now, then, huh?
When the Arabs get here, let them have it, Bill.
No, you don't mean we're actually going to be fighting
No, nothing violent, Bill. You see, what we're going to do is we're going to go up to the epitaph and we're going to put us an angry letter in there, you know, with one of them big black borders. Yeah, I'm lying to you. We got to kill them.
This is a bad idea. We could just clear out of here.
Well, leave it already. Listen to the man.
Listen to that guy.
You cowboys have been looking for a fight. By God, you've got it.
Up your hands, boys. We want your guns. Someone I want. Oh, got one left for you, Holiday.
God, Daisy, if I do.
Leave me alone, Wyatt. You let me die.
Give it to me, boy.
That was it. Over before it even began. Books will say 30 shots in 30 seconds, but I wasn't counting, and neither was you. 2 months after the gunfight happened, Virgil was ambushed outside the Crystal Palace saloon. 3 shotguns went off, but he still refused to die. Crippled up pretty bad, Virg wandered to the west, till then finally caught up with him in Nevada in 1905. Not as lucky as Wyatt's brother Morgan. Morgan was shot in the back while playing a game of billiards up on Allen Street. Morgan died at midnight, March 19th, 1882, his brother Wyatt's birthday. Now, in 1887, the year this whole town began to shake apart in a lifetime of drinking, tuberculosis, and bad decisions caught up with yours truly up in Colorado. I don't care to talk about it. Wyatt was the last man standing. Spent the rest of his days traveling. He went from Idaho to Alaska, finally ended up in Jazz Age Hollywood, looking for another Tombstone and a chance to get it right. Never did find it. When he died in 1929 at the age of 80, his last words, suppose. And that, folks, is our show. We sure hope you liked it.